to fix the Valorant critical error, which displays as a system error with a message stating that a critical error has occurred and the process must be terminated. You can follow a few simple steps. First, you need to perform a TCP/IP reset, DNS flush, and port forward, which sounds more complex than it actually is. Begin by opening the command prompt as an administrator on your Windows system. To do this, search for CMD, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. You may be prompted to enter your admin PIN if required. Once the command prompt is open, type in the following commands, pressing Enter after each one. The first command is netsh-int-ip reset, which will reset the TCP/IP stack. Next, type ipconfig release to remove the current IP configuration. This will not cause any harm to your system. Then, type ipconfig renew to request a new IP address from your DHCP client. After that, type ipconfig flush DNS to clear the corrupted or incorrect DNS cache. Finally, type netsh winsock reset to reset the winsock settings and recover from any socket errors. Note that the last command will only take effect after you restart your computer. But do not restart yet. Close the command prompt and open the control panel. In the control panel, go to Clock and Region and select Change Date, Time or Number Formats. Then, click on Administrative and select Change System Locale. You may be prompted to enter your admin PIN again. Change the current system locale to English, United States and check the box that says Use Unicode UTF-8 for worldwide language support. You can choose to do one or both of these options. After completing these steps, close all windows and restart your computer. This should fix the Valorant critical error, and your game should now be working properly.